Hi everyone, in this video, do you want to learn how to change wipers in BMW brand vehicles? When you want to raise the wiper arm, it stays under the hood of the car and touches the hood. It's impossible to remove it this way. Let's get inside the car. First, we press the ignition once and wait for the lights to come on. Then we press it again. Then we lift the signal arm upwards and wait like this until the wipers work. That's it, now we can go outside. We lift the wiper arm upwards. When we turn the handle and pull it, the wiper comes out. We can put the new wiper in its place. Now let's get back into the car and get the wiper arm back to normal. We turn on the ignition. And then the wiper arm down once. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.